Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna start booting our computer into Windows and get it ready so it works properly. So I just took off the side panel now and just in case, and now we're going to get a monitor, set up the monitor and get a HDMI cable or display port or whatever. But I'm using HDMI, so we're gonna put HDMI in our GPU, not our motherboard. If we put it in the motherboard, then our graphics card won't work and it won't read it basically. So put it in the GPU and then turn on our PC. So first we're gonna actually check if it's in tight and turn on the power supply switch. Make sure you do that or it won't get any power. So after you turn on our power supply switch, we're going to click the power button right now. And let's see if it works. Make sure the power supply cord is in tight though, because sometimes if it's loose it won't be drawing any power. So, yep, it's working. Our project is a success. Now all we have to do is install Windows on it. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Windows for free. And this is Windows 10 Pro, and it is the unactivated version, so it won't have any personalization settings, but it still works as regular Windows 10 Pro. And it's pretty normal. I think it's fine. I mean, you could get a Windows 10 activation key, like an OEM key, for like $15 from websites. So anyways, on another PC, go to windows.com and go to the media creation tool and install the media creation tool. So it says download tool now, and install it onto an empty thumb drive. Make sure the thumb drive is empty and make sure it's at least 8 GB. I just took 64 GB to be sure, and yeah, I just got a 64 GB thumb drive and put it in. Now it will be installing our Windows 10 media creation tool. And after it's completely done, we're going to safely eject the media creation tool thumb drive and put it into our PC. So first we're going to check if all our BIOS is up to date. Now here we've got our CPU frequency, it's great. And you can't overclock on this motherboard because it's an A320 motherboard, so you can't overclock. And our RAM speed is lower, so you have to go into the XMP settings and turn XMP on, and that'll make the RAM go back to 3200 megahertz. So it'll be like disabled, and all you have to do is enable it. It's very simple. Just go into memory and do it. So we're just gonna reboot our computer now, and we plugged in the USB drive, so it'll automatically boot into Windows because there's nothing there. Okay, now it's gonna load into Windows. So just pick your region, click next, whatever you want. Honestly, it's very simple. It's just like taking a survey about your keyboard and all of that, and it's very simple to install Windows. All you have to do, get the thumb drive, put the media creation tool, put it into your PC, and it installs after some time. Make sure to not turn off your PC though, because that will ruin it up. So I'm just setting it up for personal use. Sign in with your Microsoft account. That way you can change your background on your Microsoft account. So it'll change your background on your PC. And we've connected our Ethernet too. And so where it says here, just click I accept license terms and click next. And then click custom. I accidentally clicked upgrade, but then I clicked custom again. So yeah, you have to click custom. Okay, so just install the Windows, and when it says do you have a product key, click I don't have a product key and click Windows 10 Pro and install. So that's how simple it is. Just click I don't have a product key and install it. Then pick your drive you want it. Always pick your SSD, and since I only have one drive currently, I'm just gonna put it on my 256 GB SSD, well, more like 240. But I do have two external hard drives, and each of them are 1 terabyte, so two of them 2 terabytes, and that's more than enough. So all you have to do, click next, set up Windows. It's very simple. And yeah, we're basically done building our computer now. So now we're going to go ahead and install Chrome. And once you've installed Chrome, we're gonna go ahead now and install our graphics card drivers, because the motherboard drivers, honestly, you could install them, but Windows already has drivers installed for you, so honestly you don't really need to install motherboard drivers, but you could if you want. And I would highly suggest going for a B450 motherboard. Like, this motherboard's not good. A320 is absolutely basic. So then we're going to go to the AMD site and we're going to install our graphics card drivers to make our graphics card good. So search for your product, and basically ours is a RX 570, so we're going to go down to RX 570, wherever it says RX 570 500 series, and then wait, no, it's not this. Go down, I guess. Okay, there it is. Professional, no, not these. Okay, there it is. Search all products and then RX 570. Click that and submit. Then it'll start going. So go to Windows 10 64-bit edition, then download, and you're basically downloading your graphics card drivers. Now these are going to help our graphics card function properly, you'd say. And these actually take a bit of time to download, like 15-20 minutes sometimes. So just browse where you want to update them. I'm just going to go to the C drive because you want to put everything in the C drive. And next we are actually going to, well, you could install a few games if you want. And so we've got our Radeon drivers installing right now. But I would actually suggest to install games, and if you want to install games for Fortnite, you would have to go to Epic Games website, install Fortnite, and for other games like Call of Duty, you would have to go to the Blizzard website, and Overwatch also Blizzard website, and Paladins and other games, CSGO, you have to go to Steam and install them on Steam. So always make sure to download Steam, because without Steam you basically can't play that many PC games. I mean, yeah, like you need Steam. So yep, just wait till the software gets installed, the GPU software. Now we're actually going to be testing a few games, probably CSGO, Call of Duty Modern Warfare Warzone, and Fortnite. Well, those are the only games I have right now. I mean, I spend like a lot on my Xbox games, like, so yeah. I'm probably going to buy PC games in the future though. So anyways, we're just installing Fortnite, almost done. And Fortnite, guys, it takes 80 GB. 80 GB. So anyways, we're going to go here and gaming on our drivers. We're going to click gaming. Esports is like if you're more into Fortnite and FIFA, those types of things. So we click gaming, continue, and it'll just be installing and download and install this feature. And if you want to display your FPS and stats, you have to download MSI Afterburner, then Riva Statistics 2.